Now tonight, a Turkish national exhibiting symptoms consistent with Ebola remains admitted under close medical observation at the AAR hospital along Kiambu Road. For the better part of Tuesday, anxiety gripped the facility as senior medical officials held crisis meetings over the suspected case. Police say they were called in after the patient allegedly became uncooperative and resisted efforts by medical personnel to manage the situation. KTN's Lennox Sangre has the details.
At least 220 suspected and confirmed deaths linked to the deadly Ebola virus so far. Tension remains high at the AR hospital along Kiambu Road after a Turkish national exhibiting symptoms consistent with Ebola was admitted to the facility. According to the police report, the patient presented himself at the hospital at around 11 p.m. with medics who attended to the patient suspected possible case of Ebola. The situation escalated when the patient allegedly became violent and demanded to be discharged and return home, prompting hospital officials to call in police officers who later contained the patient. Efforts by KTN to establish the status of the suspected Ebola case at the facility were met by resistance from the hospital management.
Any communication is coming from the ministry.
The situation escalated when the hospital officials allegedly attempted to detain journalists who had visited the facility to seek information on the matter. Hospital management maintained that issues relating to Ebola cases are highly sensitive and that only the government is authorized to provide official communication regarding the disease. The latest Ebola outbreak, which began in May 2026 in the Democratic Republic of Congo and the neighboring Uganda, has raised concern across the region. The World Health Organization (WHO) is currently monitoring hundreds of suspected infections and more than 200 associated deaths linked to the outbreak. Lennox Sangre, KTN.
Now, families of two people who were shot